Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to the SAT School Learning Management System. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Can you tell me the chapter name? No, I'm not going to tell you the chapter name. You have to identify it by your own. So, let's start the activation task. Are you ready for the activation task? Yes, I know that you are very excited. So let's begin the activity. For do the activation task, you should know the resources required for this activity. You need an empty clock, paper, pencil, eraser. Steps to do this activity. You have to show your wake up time or breakfast time, school reaching time, break time, etc. in analog and digital way. You have just show one time. If you are recording your wake up time, so you have to need just write one time in analog and digital way, digital time, just one. Okay, now this time to debrief our activity. You have to write the answers in your copy. What have you done in this activity? What have you learned from this activity? Okay. Now, can you tell me the name of this chapter? Have you identified the chapter name? Yes, this is time. It's time to do Q focus. The statement is time can be illustrated in two ways. Rules for producing questions. Make any 5 questions from the given statement. Select any 2 most important questions. Write answers of these questions in copy or add on the set add box. Send your assignments through WhatsApp or add on the set add box. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.